The city of Memphis is taking steps now to completely reopen the economy. And tonight, wearing a mask as you leave your home could become the new normal in the city. More on that story coming up.
Get tested for COVID-19 even if you are not showing any symptoms. That's the recommendation tonight from health experts because they fear people may be infected and exposing others without even knowing it. Fox 13's Greg Coy is live in Hickory Hill where a test site will be held for people, and these are people who do not have symptoms or they do, and you don't need an appointment, Greg.
And you don't need an appointment if you come here to Christ Community Health Services here in Mendenhall Mall. Now, the people who get tested, they provide excellent data for the Shelby County Health Department as they try and figure out how many people had COVID-19, didn't have any symptoms, had no idea they may have been exposing others. It's just another way that this COVID-19 is both stealth and deadly.
Remember that most people aren't symptomatic.
COVID-19 doesn't always reveal itself with a combination of fever, fatigue, and dry cough. It has the potential to disguise itself.
The majority of people with this infection will not even know they're very sick, if sick at all.
To better track the virus spread in Shelby County, some sites are now offering testing for people showing symptoms and those who are not.
A company or so forth, and a couple people get sick, you may find out that it was the asymptomatic person across the hall that gave it to those two people.
According to the online publication Healthline, as many as 50% of the people with COVID-19 aren't aware they have the virus. This would complicate current methods to contain the virus, according to the journal Nature Medicine. The authors of the study wrote, significant pre-symptomatic transmission would probably reduce the effectiveness of control measures, such as isolation, contact tracing, and enhanced hygiene or use of facial masks for symptomatic persons. Those are the same strategies used by the Shelby County Health Department, which is why infectious disease specialist Dr. Threlkeld says widespread testing is needed.
If we don't have a very good idea of where it is, where it's kind of coming from, and where little outbreaks are spawning, if we do see that as we're opening up society, then we have to sort of slam the whole door again.
Now, this testing site, again, will be open starting testing at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's going to last until 6 o'clock in the evening. Again, you don't have to have an appointment. You don't have to believe you're showing symptoms, but you do have to bring some type of identification and contact information for the Shelby County Health Department. Live in Hickory Hill, I'm Greg Coy, Fox 13 News.